All right, guys, it's finally here and it is big. All right, let's pull up this. This is the Rivian Travel Kitchen and I just got it today and I want to do a quick unboxing for you because I don't really know what to expect. So let's dive in. Let's get this bad boy open. As you can see, this thing has been very well traveled as it came in already opened for me. So hopefully everything's in it still. It looks like we have some nice protective shipping here. So we got some of these egg crates. Oh, we got a little box on top. These are the hangout lights. So hangout lights, or what we like to call them online, the hot dog lights. Oh boy, let's pull this guy out. Is there anything else in the box? No, it looks like the box is empty. Dude, this thing is heavy. Oh my goodness. This thing is really heavy. Let's put that box there. So it comes in this nice plastic wrapping. That is a really big box for how small this actually is. I thought it was gonna be huge carrying that box up here. Wow. All right, one thing that Rivian does really well is the packaging of their products. This is a beautiful case for the travel kitchen. And what we have here, read me first. Travel kitchen cooktop tips. Induction cooking is safe and energy efficient. It uses electromagnetic fields to heat up cookware, so the cookware must be magnetic. Magnetic cookware includes skillets, pots, and pans made of cast iron or magnetic stainless steel. Before you go on your trip, try out your cookware on the induction cooktop to ensure the cookware is compatible. Very good, and you want to make sure that the cookware has a flat bottom so that you can have optimal contact with the cooktop. Very cool. Nice, we're gonna keep that. All right. So yes, this is a fantastic case. Has some of these buttons to, make it a little bit easier with carrying. Let's throw this on the shoulder. Yeah, I think that this is definitely doable to just like bring, if you were at a picnic site, you could bring it over to a table like this and set it up. And nice and easy to put up on the tailgate, which I will do a full video of in the future. But right now, we're just doing the unboxing. All right, so let's unbutton the handles here. Very good. Ooh, okay, so we have this double zipper. Double zipper that goes all the way down. And then it's not even Velcro here. This is actually magnetic. And it's going to pop up. You can see the two magnets right on the side. So it lines it up for the zipper. Oh, that's so smooth. That's nice. Packaging, A+ so far. We open this up and there she is. If I remember correctly, there's a handle right here, which it looks like there is. And this is gonna be kind of challenging to get off on the table. So I'm just going to bring it to the side. We'll shake that case off. All right. Very good. So let's pop this down. Pop this down and there is a release. Yeah, okay. Oh, this looks nice, guys. Oh, it's so clean. This is the cleanest this is ever going to be, ever again. I do really like the different two-tone. So you have the dark black of the actual induction, and then you have that gray with some speckles on it. It looks absolutely beautiful. Good, we have a few different things. We have our spots where the lights go, all right? We have where our cord goes on the back. We have our drawer in the front. All right, so we have a nice drawer that we can pull forward. All right, and the cord is actually inside of this, We have a nice cutting board. Beautiful, it matches. I honestly wish that this was a different color. I would have loved if they went with compass yellow for this cutting board. Dude, people would be buying this left and right just to get that color of a cutting board. There's also separators for utensils or knives that you can put in. And like this braided cord is so nice. Matching with the theme of the black and gray. The cord is actually gonna go right in the back here. And it has a good storing spot right there so that you can neatly put it away. We would put this back in here as well. And then you slide it up. Altogether, this seems like a solid build. I already have dog hair on it. Oh man, dog hair comes with me everywhere. All right, I wanna show you the hangout lights and let's see how easy it is to kind of figure this out because I haven't done this before. So what I'm thinking is we're gonna take these telescoping poles and we are going to just place them in. Yeah, it looks like you stick in and then you rotate and that's gonna tighten things up. All right, so we have the first one in. That was pretty easy. We will stick in and then let's rotate. Very good. And then we telescope up. So as simple as that to put the poles in. Now let's get the hangout lights. Okay, so we've got our hangout lights and these are magnetized, which is really cool. We have a USB-C port and I'm curious, oh, the USB-C is actually right over the power outlet. So that makes it nice and easy and convenient to hang that there. It looks like we have these J hooks and we are going to put that, oh nice. It actually attaches perfectly right into the stick. And then it just goes right over to the other side. Wait, that's so interesting. And then we actually have the clicker here. This isn't plugged in. I haven't plugged it in yet, but why not? Let's try it. We have an outlet right here. So let's take our cord. All right. I really like that this is here just so you can keep it nice and raveled up when you're not using it. That adapter, it goes right in the back. Nice and easy. We're gonna bring this all the way over here and let's see what happens for the first time when it turns on. The question is, does this outlet work? I actually don't know. Let's find out. Nope, it doesn't work. Test number 2. There's another outlet. Luckily, there's one over here. Oh, and we have power. We have power. The red light is on. Now it's time. Is this going to work? Oh, we have our hot dog lights, everyone. I mean, hangout lights. We have our hangout lights. We can see the food at night. They're all hung up. These, you know, it's not perfect. It's a little bit flimsy, but it's not gonna fall down on you. And this is all rubberized, so it should stay where you want it to be. And you can tighten it up a little bit more if you want to, it looks like. But with the tension, you can see these poles kind of coming in. I'm really curious why this was delayed a few months. Was it something to do with the sticks? Was it something to do with the burners? You know, what was the cause? Maybe it was just manufacturing, who knows? I'm not gonna turn this on because I'm not cooking with it, but I'm so happy to see that these lights are working. And I believe that there's a few different levels. So if I click it again, we shut it off. Click it on, it turns on. What if I hold it? Oh, holding it made it brighter. Made it a lot brighter, okay. Made it the brightest. And it turned it off. So it looks like there's 4 different levels on those hangout lights, which is pretty cool. And the nice thing is, like, you could use these somewhere else as well. Like, they don't have to just be used with this. Overall, it's a nice cooktop. There's plenty of space for the 2 burners. They're both the same size, it looks like. And then you have the 2 different plus and minus. I'm really curious how many levels there are for those. And then you have the separate section to do your cutting on, your prepping, all of that for your food. So overall, I'm really impressed and I can't wait to put this to the test. All right, to put it away, you would just fold it over. We would use the clasp here. There is a little bit of translation left and right with this when you put it down. When you put it there, it's not always perfectly aligned. It kind of shifts. Can you see this kind of shifting a little bit? And I think that it's supposed to. I don't think that there's anything wrong with it. You just have to make sure that you take the time to position the latch correctly so that it will clasp on. We tilt it back up. Very good. We have the handle so that we can take it with us when we go somewhere. This is pretty heavy. I can't guess weight. That's not a superpower that I have. All right, and then we would just slide it back in, put it down. I think my favorite part of this is the case. Like, look at this thing. You just put it on up, the magnets go, then you take that double zipper and you just zip it. Oh, that's fantastic. What else do we have? We have another zipper in the front here where it looks like you could put some other utensils or maybe something that you're taking with you for your cooking. You have the handles on the outside as well, which like easily lifts things. And in the gear tunnel, if we were reaching for it in the gear tunnel, we could pull it out first. You'd easily lift it up and then toss it onto your tailgate, which is a really nice touch. I love this. As far as fit and finish goes, like, that's beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. And obviously it goes with the theme. I'm really excited to test this out. I'm gonna be doing a lot of different videos on the travel kitchen. I wanna test it, see how it tests compared to a regular gas stove. Yeah, if you have any questions on this, let me know in the comments below. I really wanna know what you think because this is an expensive travel kitchen. You can get a lot of cheaper items off of Amazon that can probably compete with this, but I think it's the overall package of how Rivian puts this together that makes it something special. And I can't wait to make a lot of memories with this thing in the back of the truck and possibly in the back of future vehicles, or not even in a vehicle at all, just on a picnic table where there's an outlet. So definitely subscribe to my channel for more. Like this video so other Rivian owners can see it. Please share it to other Rivian owners that are thinking about getting the travel kitchen. And remember, adventure is always out there.